Inside Folio, open Exchanges and hit Connect your first exchange for 4 things: a label, an API key, a secret, and a passphrase. OKX is the one exchange that adds that passphrase, so keep it in mind. Let's grab them from OKX. In OKX, open your profile menu and go to API and Connections. Click Create API Key. Give it a name. Leave Used for on API Trading. Now the important part, set permissions to read only. Folio never needs to trade or withdraw, so leave those off. Turn Trusted IP Access off. Folio syncs from its own servers, so there's no single IP to whitelist. A read-only key is safe and doesn't expire. Create your passphrase, 8 to 32 characters. Save it right now in a password manager. OKX won't show it again. Hit Submit All and clear the security checks. Passkey, phone, and email. Key created. Don't rush this. Click Show Info, copy your key and secret, and only then hit Complete. Leave too early and they're gone for good. Back in Folio, paste the key, secret, and passphrase, add a label, and connect. Run the sync, and your closed trades land in the journal. But imported trades are just data. A row of numbers means nothing until you make it honest. Why did you take it? Write the note, tag your strategy, double-check the leverage. A sync can only approximate it. And ask the real question, did you actually follow your plan? That's where a journal stops being a spreadsheet and starts making you better. Connect OKX in 60 seconds. Folio exists to make traders profitable. Let's get you there.